Good evening. Today is April 8, 2024 Monday, and here are the 7 p.m. SL Visayas result today for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandaue City. Here are the STL Shore 3 7 p.m. draw result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for April 8, 2024 Monday. Here are the STL Shore 3 7 p.m. draw result from Mandaue City under Piana Trading Supply Corporation for Monday, April 8, 2024. Thank you for watching this 7 p.m. video for evening of April 8, 2024, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.